My dear students, once again all of you are welcome to my YouTube channel Math Success Point. Thing is that I am doing the work for your welfare in mathematics. My main objective is that to provide you the quality of education, especially in mathematics. Because generally the student feel that mathematics is difficult. No, mathematics is not difficult. Difficult is that the student, if do the work properly, then there will not be the difficulty. Difficult is that the student do not want to do the work sincerely. You become sincere and do the work along with me, definitely mathematics will become simple. Okay, we are discussing the sets. Earlier I told you the first exercise of the NCERT book, each and every question, the solution of each and every question. Now let us proceed and discuss the other definitions related with the sets, that is empty set. That is very important. Repeatedly I told you, actually class 11 syllabus, that is mean for competitive examination. It is very important, and maximum question these are asked in the competitive examination from the syllabus of class 11. That is why I am doing the work with each and every point I am telling you, so that you will not be lacking behind of any kind of preparation. Okay, let us start. Empty set. Empty set means there will not be any element. Let me take the example. A set which does not contain any element is called the empty set. Second name is null set. Third name is void set. Let me take the example. Try to understand. Example of the empty set. Let me denote it the set by 8. I will write it in the set builder form. That is very simple. I told you, I discussed in my previous videos. There will be two types of sets. Roster form of sets, tabular form, or set builder form. Okay. X is such that X is a even prime number greater than 2. Tell me, even prime number, that is only 2. Prime number starts from 2, which is the even prime number only. There is no any other prime number except 2. Then what does it mean? Set A, that will be empty set, or there are two indications. We denote the empty set by 5 or by braces. This braces also without any element indicate that set is empty. You see carefully. Easily I am telling you what will be the empty set. X is an even prime number greater than 2. There will not be any prime number, even prime number greater than 2. 2 is only the prime number. Okay, you can take some more examples. I am telling you verbally. Same thing. Suppose another example. Let me take suppose X is a student. X is a student studying presently in class 9 and 10. Presently in class 9 and 10. It is quite impossible. One student can't study in both the class in 9 and 10. That is why it will also be the empty set. Okay, let me take one more example. Suppose third example. This is the second example. Let me take now the third example. What may be the third example? X, you must have to explain X. X square minus 3. You can take not only x square minus 3, you can take x square minus 2, x square minus 4, anything else you can take. There is no rational number or rational value number which satisfy x square minus 3 is equal to 0. There is no any number. You tell me any number. In place of x, you will write 1. 1 square means 1. 1 minus 3, that will be minus 2. After 1, there will be 2. 2 square, 4. 4 minus 3, it will not be equal to 0. That is why it will also be equal to empty set. I told you the different examples regarding the empty set. That I think the point will be clear to you for the empty set. Okay, let me take the another kind of set. That will be the finite set now. Finite set. Finite, infinite, and equal sets. All are very important. All kinds of sets are important. Finite set. Finite set. Every set will be finite, having the finite number of elements, which can be counted one by one. Okay? Which can be counted one by one. Let me take the example. Suppose, let I am taking, suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. This is a finite set. You can count all the elements. These are the natural numbers from 1 to 10. Number of boys in class 11. You can count easily. That will also be the finite set. Number of girls studying in class 11 in your school. Okay? That will also be a finite set. Or in a school. There will be one school. Number of students of one school you can take of class 11, boys or girls. Separately if you take, then all will be the all will come under the finite set. Okay, let me take some more examples. You can take different examples are there. Okay, set of vowels, or let me take another set. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. That is also a finite set. Means which can be counted one by one, that will become under the finite set. Okay, I think I have given to you the different examples. If you want to write the definition of the finite set, you can write the definition. A set which is a set, even empty set is also a finite set. You must have to keep in mind. That is very important. That may be asked in your competitive examination. The empty set, a set which is empty, a set which is empty, or elements let me write it once again, which is empty or consist of a definite number of elements. That I have given the example of the finite set. Definite number of elements is called a finite set. Otherwise, it is infinite set. If it is not finite, it will be infinite. That I told you. जैसे मैंने अभी बताया आप लोगों को, set of even numbers, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, up to 10 only. Set of even numbers up to 10. This is a finite set. Okay, let me take infinite because here it is given. Otherwise, it will be infinite set. If you want to take it's in set builder form, you also can take. As I told you, here let me take suppose X such that X is a student presently studying in class 10. Okay, that is true. That is finite. Or the number of student also you can take. The number of student are studying presently in class 11 in a school, in one school or in your school. That is a finite set. Okay. Now let me take the infinite set. What will be infinite? I told you already, if the set is not finite, it will be infinite set. Infinite set. Infinite set means, I will tell you the example. Okay, let me take the example. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the natural numbers. Okay, but my dear student, I am just going to write the elements 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, after that I will write dot, dot, dot. Technical thing I am telling you. Only you must have to write, because its meaning is continuous up to infinite. Up to infinite you can take that. We don't know how many elements will be there here. That will be infinite, but you put only 3 dots, not more than 3. If you are putting more than 3 dots, you are committing the mistake mathematically. Because generally, even my friends also write 2, 3, 4, 5 तक लगा देते हैं dots. Student तो पता नहीं कितने dots लगा देते हैं. That is mathematically wrong. You must have to put only 3 dots. That should be clear to you. If you are going to write, is a infinite set. Is a infinite set. Infinite set. I will tell you each and everything clearly. That is why I try to understand. Let me take some more examples if you want to take for the infinite set. You can write. Let me take. I am going to write here itself. It's a definition, because here there is no space for the infinite set. I am writing here infinite set. Infinite set. It is not possible. It is not possible. It is not possible to write all the elements. All the elements of infinite set within brasses. This is a brass symbol. I told you empty set, that is also that is finite set. Okay, and example that I have given to you. This is a infinite set. This is the example of infinite set. Because it is not possible you are going to write all the elements within this brasses. Always you must have to use in the set this brass symbol. Okay, and I think that is very much clear to you that regarding the finite and infinite sets. Let me take some more examples if you want to take. Let me take example number 2. Okay. Example 2, suppose, let me take a set. Dot, dot, dot. Only 3 dots I will put in the left side. -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 dots only. This is the set of integers, but that is infinite. It is very difficult to write all the elements from 0 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Similarly in the -1, -2, -3, -4 and so on. That is why it is an infinite set. So many examples are there which you can write. Okay, set of even natural numbers, set of odd natural numbers. You can write different examples. First example, let me take third example. Let 2, 4, 6, 8, dot, dot, dot. Set of even natural numbers. You can take set of odd natural numbers also. That will also be infinite. Okay, now let us come to the equal sets. Equal set, that is also important. Very, very important. Because generally the students commits the mistake to write the elements of the equal set or to understand the equal sets. Let me take equal set. sets will be equal. Two sets will be equal. I will tell you each and every important point regarding the equal sets. That is why try to understand. Two sets will be equal if both the sets having the same element. Exactly same elements. Then they will be equal, otherwise they will not be equal. Let me discuss here the examples regarding the two sets. Let A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 elements are there. And set B I am taking 2, 1, 3, 5, 4. 1 is here, 1 is here, 2 is here, 2 is also here, 3 is also here, 4 is here, and 5 is here. Elements are exactly same. That is why both the show set A is equal to set B. I think the concept is clear of the equal sets. Let me take one more example. Such type of questions generally asked in the competitive examination, which is very, very important for the equal sets. Okay? These sets, let me write set definition, set A and set B are said to be equal, I am writing the definition so that you will understand each and every point. By and by, धीरे धीरे बता रहा हूँ जिससे आपकी समझ में आए. Said to be equal if elements of A first set is element of A is also equal to the element. Every element of B. Every element of B. And I have given if the element of A is also equal to the every element of B, or you can write and element of B, like that also you can write element of B is also equal to the element of A. In both the sides you can see. Then both sets will be equal. But one more thing I will tell you. Example I have given already. Let me take one more example here. For the equal sets. Equal sets, let me take the example. A set does not change if one or more elements of the set are repeated. Let me take. Very important thing I am telling you. Example, suppose. Let set A is equal to 1, 2, 3. I have taken 3 elements. And set B is equal to. That will be 2, 2, 1, 1, 3, 3. As I told you in my previous video, the elements in the set will not be repeated in case of mathematics. Each and every letter I have written in the brasses only once. एक बार ही मैंने letter लिखा है. Letters will not, digits will not be, elements will not be repeated in the sets. Okay? If these are repeated, then there will not be any change. 1 is here, 1 is here. 2 is here, 2 is here. 3 is here, 3 is here. 1 यहाँ पे 1 है, यहाँ पे 1 है. 2 यहाँ पे है, 2 भी है, 3 है. Elements are same. That is why both the sets are equal. Both sets are equal. Both sets are equal. If the element in one set these are repeated, then there will not be any change of the condition of the sets. Definitely they will be equal, but they must have the same elements. Okay, that is why you can write here set A, let me write here, set A does not change, set A does not change if one or more elements, one or more elements of the set or set B are repeated. A set A does not change if one or more elements of the set are repeated. When the elements are repeated, it will not be changed. It will remain as it is 1, 2, 3. Okay? It will remain as it is 1, 2, 3. Like that. The elements of the set must be same. Then sets will be equal. Most important. Okay? In future, you will have to use this definition to find out the solution of different types of questions. Today, I have discussed the very important definitions along with the example. These are the questions of the equal sets. Finite sets, infinite sets, or empty sets. Exercise which is given related with these sets in the NCERT book I will discuss in my next video. I do hope that these definitions you will have to practice along with the questions. You will have to remember along with the questions so that you will be benefited. Okay? Because practice makes a man perfect. If you have your weapons, you will not be defeated by anyone in the battlefield. Otherwise, if you do not have the weapon, if you have the weapons, then if you have the weapons, no one will defeat you. If you do not have the weapons, each and everyone will defeat you. Okay? That is why the point should be clear to you, that formula, definition, concept should be clear to you. Then you can find out the solution of the questions. Otherwise, it is very difficult to find out the questions. My dear student, after viewing this video, you must have to like and share, even press the icon button so that my videos, important videos will reach to you immediately after posting the videos, uploading the videos, or prescribe my channel. Okay, thank you to all of you.